Let's talk a little bit about the general business climate here. So it's now 2025. I'm wondering how it's shaping up in terms of your expectation when you're going into it. Like maybe last fall when you're thinking about 2025, and now that we're into it, for 4 months. How is it going based on your prior expectations?
Well, Salvagnini America has been enjoying a very good moment for the last 3 years, and we closed record years in the last 3 years in terms of results, financial results, and machine installed. So the results are coming from a good track. Also 25, for what I can see, is going to be a very good year for us. The order collection is still solid, and our backlog ensures me that everything is going to be good.
Love the positive news. That's
yes.
Great. That's great to hear.
Despite the current uncertainties, we are still enjoying a very good momentum.
Are there any sectors that are acting differently than you thought? You know, like you're very much into obviously making into panels and boxes and shelving and things like that. Are there things differently that you're seeing this year that you maybe not expected?
I wouldn't say differently. Some sectors that we've been traditionally serving are moving towards new applications. For example, we see a lot of growth into the data center business and whatever is related to data center. For instance, you know, the data center produce a lot of heat, yes. And so our customers are big into the HVAC market, and this is where we see a lot of activity coming from.
So introduction to your customers. So what are they thinking about 2025 in the short term? Are they going ahead with projects? Are they holding back? And what about longer term beyond the next 60, 90 days? Are you hearing anything differently or anything that would alarm you or encourage you in some way?
I would say that for the customer we are working with right now, I don't see a lot of holding back.
Okay.
The feeling that I see is positive, although everybody is aware of the uncertainties, sure. And that situations are changing. Okay. But this boom of the data center business, yeah. And the growth of the data center is really fueling a lot of growth for us.
Okay, wonderful, good. So then what's the status with those? Are they still in high demand? Are you able to recruit enough, or can you keep them long enough?
We have done actions, especially on the technician side, to improve even further the retention we have. For example, limiting the amount of travel that they do. We know that traveling is hard, takes a toll on these people, and we try to reduce the amount of days they are spending at a hotel, eating a fast food, and trying to spend some more days at home.